Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our class for today with me. Okay, so now before we start, we're going to listen to the learning standard. Okay, there are 2.1.5, describe people and objects using suitable words and phrases. And 1.2.2, understand with support specific information and details of short simple text. Okay, for your lesson objective, for speaking, you should be able to share and describe at least 3 sentences correctly. And for your listening, you should be able to listen and write at least 3 correct sentences. Okay? So now, get your textbook and turn to page 55. Okay? So, this page we have done before in our previous lesson. So now I want you to look at the bottom of the page. Before this, we did the song, right? Sebelum ni kita buat yang lagu. Now we're going to do the next activity. Okay? So this is activity 2. Okay, so now let's look at what they are talking about. Okay, so this is a boy and a girl. Okay, so the boy said, "There's some milk in the fridge." Okay, there's some. This means there is some. Okay, this means there is some. Okay, dia cakap there is some sebenarnya tapi disingkatkan there's some. Okay, and then the girl said there are some carrots on the table. Okay, there are, there is. Okay, there are some, there is some. Okay, so now let's look at the sentences. There's some milk. Okay, there are some eggs. Okay, first of all, you can see that the nouns, okay, benda yang disebut tu awak dah boleh nampak daripada sini. Okay, milk tak ada S. Okay, and eggs ada S. Okay, so kalau yang ada S, usually it is more than one kan, benda tu lebih daripada satu. Maknanya awak boleh nampak lah. Okay, awak boleh nampak telur ni ada 3, lebih daripada satu kan. So you need to use there are, which is it is still countable. Okay, okay, kalau milk awak nampak kan susu, tapi awak tak tahu ada berapa banyak dalam tu. Okay, so dia uncountable, sesuatu yang tak boleh dikira. So you say there is some milk. Okay, so there is some adalah untuk uncountable. Okay, uncountable. Uncountable ni maknanya tak boleh dikira. Okay, and then kalau there are adalah benda yang kita boleh nampak, yang boleh kita kira lagi. Okay, so kalau there are, countable usually. Okay, okay, now let's look at the next slide. Okay, so what the activities 2 tells you to do is you need to look. Okay, awak kena tengok dekat dalam gambar ni and tell me what can you see using the word there is some dengan there are some. Okay, so when you look at the picture, bila awak tengok gambar ni, what can you see? Okay, kalau cikgu akan cakap there is some flower kan, sebab flower ni kita tak boleh kira kan. Okay, so cikgu nampak ada flower. Okay, there is some flower. Okay, and then there is some milk here. Okay, and then cikgu boleh nampak ada egg. Cikgu boleh kira kat sini ada 1, 2, 3. So there are some eggs in the fridge. And then ada juice. Juice tak boleh nak kira. There is some juice in the fridge. What about the tomatoes? Awak boleh kira kan, awak ada nampak berapa tomatoes? Ada 1, 2, 3. So there are some tomatoes and there are some onions. Yang ni pun there are some carrots. Okay. There is some lettuce. Satu je kan? Tak boleh kira berapa keping lettuce kat situ. And then what else? Okay, sugar. There is some sugar and there is some chocolate. Okay, if you are confused, kalau awak masih macam confused lah mana satu, there is some, there are some, macam mana nak tahu mana boleh kira, mana tak boleh kira, you just look at the noun. Okay, tengok je benda tu kat belakang ni. Kalau chocolate, memang ada satu je kan, chocolate. So there is some. Sebab dia bukan chocolates. Bukannya ada 2-3 keping coklat kan kat sini. Okay, so bila dah nampak noun tu, satu, use there is. Tapi kalau lebih daripada satu, macam awak dah nampak tomatoes ni ada 3. So use there are. Ingat kalau there is ni untuk one thing. Kalau there are more than one, benda yang biasanya lebih daripada satu. Okay, so we're just going to try this. Okay, so this is actually grammar. Okay, so let's look at the sentences just now yang kita dah sebut. There is some. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some flour in the cupboard. There is some chocolate and some sugar. Okay, like I said just now, look at the nouns. Bila awak tengok je makanan tu, tak ada S pun kat belakang. So you already know it's one but it's uncountable. Okay, tak boleh nak kira walaupun dia satu. Okay, now for there are some carrots. Awak tahu ada lebih daripada satu carrot kat situ. So carrots on the table. There are some tomatoes and some onions. Okay, tengok dah tahu dah nouns ni ada S, ES, S, which means it's more than one. Bila more than one, you use there are. Okay. Okay. So in the picture, please tell me at least three things that you can see in a sentence. Bagi tahu cikgu 3 benda yang awak nampak dalam ni menggunakan there is atau there are. Okay, so look at the picture carefully. I will put the picture in the Telegram as well. Okay, cikgu akan masukkan dalam Telegram supaya boleh tengok betul-betul. Okay, so now we're done here. Okay, so now next for your task, okay, you need to complete supplementary module page 33. Okay, 33, what you need to do is you need to write there's some or there are some based on the pictures. Okay, ni task 2 awak. Tadi task 1 awak kena sebutkan 3 benda. Nanti kita akan tengok summary of task. Okay, so you write here, for example, number 1, there is some cake. Full stop. Okay. And next, number 2. Tengok number 2 gambar apa pula. Okay, so you just do like that. Okay, now let's look at your summary of tasks. Okay, kesimpulannya apa yang awak kena buat adalah first you need to say 3 sentences using there's some or there are some based on the picture given. Okay, gambar yang tadi. And then complete supplementary module page 33. 3. So ada 2 task. Okay, task pertama speaking, task kedua listening. Okay, complete supplementary module. Okay, so that is all. Thank you, and if you have any question, please ask me on Telegram. Okay, good luck and stay safe everyone.